How to make your tan last longer.
Want to keep your tan looking great for longer? Follow these simple tips and you could even double your tan. Exfoliate before tanning to prepare your skin and create a smooth base. Use professional tanning bed cosmetics. They not only extend the life of your tan, but also keep your skin moisturized. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water and before and after your tanning session to keep your skin glowing. Ask our staff for an after tan lotion and apply it right after your session for added hydration and color retention. Stick to these rules, and your tan will stay beautiful for much longer.